y'all, so I know y'all like tired of me posting videos like once a week, but like between work and posting videos is like very hard, but I'm gonna try to get more videos out. But yeah, I'm just braiding down my client. For this wig install, you want to make sure that you just have straight backs. As you can see, her hair is very thick, so these wigs protect her hair. You know, she don't want to deal with it, whatever the case may be. It protects her hair. So I think everyone knows this method right here, the cap method, the ball cap method. You just put the cap on, you spray some got-to-be spray, put a little gel, whatever way you want to do it. Put the gel first, then the got-to-be spray, and then you cut out the air so the cap can fit directly to the person's head. That is the reason why people cut out the ears on a cap. You don't want the sides lifting up, so it'll be sprayed down directly to the person's head. This is one of my custom made handmade units. This is I forgot what lift she used. I think she used 26, 3 bundles with a frontal. This is my HD lace, not my transparent lace, and I did do a custom color on this with highlights, and as y'all can see, this wig is so fire. I do make the wigs. I used to make the wigs on my client's head, but now I make them before. You could get your measurements, come get measured, and I'll make a wig unit and place it on your hair. Yes, I do provide the hair. This is from my wig line coming out July 1st, so be ready for that. But until then, you can definitely purchase a custom wig unit. So now I'm just making sure that the unit is fitting her head perfectly and is laying exactly where I want it to lay. Call me highlight queen. Call me highlight queen because I do not play. If you've seen my Instagram page, I do highlights a lot. Highlights, lowlights, like people love that hairstyle that I do all the time. But each one I try to do differently. So this is one way that it can be done, and it just looks so good on her. This was for her graduation, and you know she killed it. So this is before I even glued the edge down, and look how perfectly it's blended into her head. Like, it's just, my lace is nothing to play with, sis. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go in and just glue down her edge. I did put a few layers, but I didn't capture that on video. You can use as many layers as you want. I am using the Erica J glue, and I really love this glue. Like, without the hype, I really do like this glue. It sticks the lace down perfectly. It's not too loose and it's not too thick. So I really, really like this glue. So I'm just using that glue to just lay down her lace. I didn't show my baby hair method because I usually show that in videos. So if you've seen one, you see them all. But no, I'm just at least showing you like how I separate the baby hairs on each side. But you know, I did her baby hairs off camera, basically. But I think I did do the baby hairs on camera, but when I was recording this, the video got deleted or something like that. So yeah, that was a whole situation. But you know, you can check out my other videos if you want to see how I do baby hairs on my clients. But regardless, she didn't even need baby hairs. It looks very natural without it. But you know, they love the baby hair. They love them. ended up, because I know the video was deleted, now I remember that I went in and added some moves to like pretend that I, you know, am showing y'all a little bit of baby hair, whatever the case may be. And I'm also flattening down any other extra hairs that's like flyaways or anything after I styled her hair. And just look how perfect that looks. Like, come on, come on, stop playing. Look how perfect that looks. Wow, I'm just amazed with myself sometimes. But nah, y'all see how fire that looks like. It looks like her scalp, baby. We're bringing scalp 2020. We're bringing real. We're bringing don't pull my wig. We're bringing I don't know what we're bringing, but we're bringing a lot. We're bringing a lot to this. So this is basically the finished look. You know, I wanted to take some pictures of hers and style it up. I think I only posted one picture on my page, but you could definitely check out this look a little bit more on my Instagram page at I am Ashley Nicole. And yeah, like, doesn't she look so good? If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Like it, comment on it. Definitely, I love when people comment and subscribe definitely to my channel. I love teaching you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I see y'all in the next video.